This organization was started 18 years ago, so we are now of age. Initially, we would be an advocacy group providing emotional support and information that would help them to deal with the challenges that they will definitely face. That was where it all started, and that was where it came out.
I had fun doing the walk. I came out here to Jamaica to heal the hearts of the Jamaica Downs Syndrome Foundation people so I can show them that I have a big heart. I know it's been hard for Jamaica because of the hurricane. I came here for hugs.
I know we're beginning as a ripple, but we're going to be a wave, and we're expecting everyone to come and join us next year, 2026, and walk for the Bredrin Walk, walk for that extra chromosome of love. See you there.
Bredrin Walk!